Home improvements are often measured by how they look today, but the most valuable upgrades are the ones that continue to deliver benefits for years to come. Window installation is one of those upgrades. While many homeowners focus on the style or material of the window itself, the quality of installation plays a major role in long-term performance and property value. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper window installation directly impacts comfort, efficiency, durability, and resale appeal. First impressions start with proper installation. Windows are one of the most visible features of a home's exterior. Even high-quality windows can look uneven or poorly finished if installation is rushed or imprecise. In Pompano Beach neighborhoods, clean lines, proper alignment, and seamless finishes enhance curb appeal. Professionally installed windows improve the home's overall appearance, which contributes to stronger first impressions and perceived value. Preventing long-term structural issues. Improper window installation can lead to gaps, moisture intrusion, and hidden damage within walls. These issues may not be visible immediately, but they can develop over time. For Pompano Beach homeowners, correct installation ensures windows are properly sealed and protected from environmental exposure. This helps prevent long-term structural concerns that could reduce property value. Enhancing energy efficiency. Over time, windows play a major role in maintaining indoor comfort. However, even energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended if they're installed incorrectly. Proper installation ensures tight seals and correct insulation around the frame. In Pompano Beach homes, this helps reduce heat transfer and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, supporting long-term energy efficiency. Protecting against moisture and humidity. Moisture management is essential in areas exposed to humidity. Incorrect flashing or sealing during installation can allow water to seep into surrounding materials. Professional installation ensures moisture is directed away from the window opening. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this protects both the window and the surrounding structure, preserving home value over time. Supporting smooth operation and durability. Windows that stick, rattle, or fail to close securely often result from installation issues rather than product defects. In Pompano Beach residences, proper installation ensures windows open and close smoothly. This reduces wear on hardware and extends the lifespan of the window system, protecting the homeowner's investment. Reducing future repair costs. Poor installation can lead to recurring maintenance issues, such as seal failure or frame shifting. These repairs add up over time. With professional installation, Pompano Beach homeowners are less likely to face repeated adjustments or early replacements. This long-term reliability contributes to stronger home value. Improving buyer confidence. When it comes time to sell, buyers look for signs of quality workmanship. Windows that appear properly aligned and well integrated into the home inspire confidence. In Pompano Beach, homes with professionally installed windows signal thoughtful upgrades rather than temporary fixes. This reassurance can positively influence resale potential. Enhancing overall indoor comfort. Long-term value isn't just financial, it's also about daily living experience. Properly installed windows help maintain comfortable indoor conditions. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from fewer drafts, stable temperatures, and quieter interiors when windows are installed correctly. Preserving aesthetic consistency. Consistent installation across all windows creates a cohesive look. Uneven or mismatched installation can disrupt the home's visual harmony. Professional window installation ensures uniform spacing and finishing. In Pompano Beach homes, this attention to detail enhances overall presentation. A smart investment that lasts. Window installation isn't just about replacing old materials, it's about setting the foundation for long-term performance. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper window installation impacts long-term home value by protecting structural integrity, improving energy efficiency, reducing maintenance issues, and enhancing curb appeal. When installation is handled professionally, homeowners gain not only immediate visual improvement but lasting value that supports comfort and resale potential for years to come.